If your environment relies on server hardening to make sure your server stays static, one of the things that Server Configuration Monitor can do for you is actually take configuration elements, multiples of them, and build them into a single profile that we'll call server hardening. So I'll walk you through building a basic one right now. We're going to go ahead and build a new profile, and that's going to contain configuration elements for monitoring local admins, monitoring antivirus exclusions, monitoring local certificates, and monitoring features and roles. To get started in building that, go to My Dashboards, Server Configuration Summary. Then go to Server Configuration Monitor Settings, and let's build that new profile. We'll call that profile Server Hardening. And we should probably give it a good description saying what it's actually doing. Now it's time to add the configuration elements. We'll do them in order. So first we'll check for the local admin changes. We're going to build a PowerShell script. We're going to call it local admin check, and we'll paste in our PowerShell script. This PowerShell script gets the local group membership of the group administrators, where it is a local account, and then sorts them alphabetically by the name. Select your polling frequency, so every 5 minutes, and your polling timeout every 1 minute. You can add additional description if necessary. And that's a local admin check. Next, we have to do our antivirus exclusions. Again, it is a PowerShell script. The PowerShell script for that gets the actual Windows Defender details, lists out the exclusion paths, and then also sorts them alphabetically. We'll add that to the profile. Next up is features and roles. So we'll add, again, PowerShell script. This is for Windows features and roles. This PowerShell script gets the Windows features where they are currently installed, selects only the name and the display name, and then sorts that by the name. Add that to the profile, and add our last configuration element for local certificates. Again, it is a PowerShell type. This script will crawl the local machine for its local certificates, build an empty list, and then cycle through them, pulling out information that's useful. We'll go ahead and add that to the profile. And that's it. Our profile is done. Add the profile to the system. You can see it appears here. And then all it takes to assign it to some devices, check the box, assign to, select the servers in question, and confirm. And that's pretty much it. We built a very basic server hardening policy and have assigned it out to a handful of servers. Now whenever something in that policy changes, whether it's any of those 4 configuration elements, you'll be notified. For more information, visit SolarWinds.com.